Well, hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Just wanted to do a tutorial video for Liquidix. Going to show you how to make a deposit into the platform. And yeah, this is day one of the pre-launch. It literally just went live a few minutes ago. So we're going to go ahead and put in a demo deposit here. So you can see here right in the back office, the buttons here for withdrawing and for investing. We're going to go ahead and deposit right here. So we'll click on this blue button, and then it gives us the option to put in USDT TRC20, USDT BEP20 on Binance Smart Chain. We can also put in USDC and also BUSD. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and put in USDT TRC20, and I'm going to put in 1,000. Okay. Now again, you can get in where you fit in. You can put in a certain amount and then just simply scale up as you feel more comfortable and you get to know the platform. And then again, as far as the ranking system is concerned, it's cumulative, the amount that you put in. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in 1,000 USDT TRC20 for this demo video, this tutorial. Click on next. So it's asking me if it's on TRC20 on Tron or BEP20. I'm going to keep it on Tron. And then here is the address, okay, that I'm going to send it to. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Send in 1,000 USDT. Okay. $1,000 USDT. Then click send. Okay. So once I do that, I'm going to click on confirm. And then it says your payment is in progress. So again, USDT TRC20, it's pretty fast. So it says your payment is under processing. Payment will be processed within 5 minutes, and I will receive an email notification. Once I get that email notification that it's processed, I should see that on my dashboard. So again, really quick, really easy. Again, if you've been in one of these platforms, you've been in them all. So again, you're not going to see anything foreign with this platform. Just know that when you do put in a deposit, 70% goes towards trading, and that is the amount that you can actually earn from and pull out if you need to, because that is withdrawable. It's not locked into the platform. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you that the deposits are live and this is officially pre-launched. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.